This dance is called Cheyenne Rock. It's a 48 count, 4 wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the left foot, you're going to rock back on that left, recover your weight on the right, into a heel strut to the side. So you step that left heel down, lower that heel. You'll rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a heel strut again to the side, right heel, lower the toe. And once more with the left, back rock, recover, heel strut, and then back rock on the right. So 3 rocks with heel struts, to the side, 1 without. That set of steps once more off on the left. 7, 8, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock. You're then going to add on 4 more heel struts, travelling forwards. So right, left, left. Add on 2 rocking chairs, rock forward on the right, recover on the left, rock back on the right, recover on the left, and repeat, rocking chair. Then step forward on that right, pivot quarter turn to the left. Heel struts off on the right. 7, 8, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot. Let's add that to the top. Back rock, heel struts off on the left. 7, 8, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot. You're going to cross rock right over the left, recover your weight on that left, rock back onto that right again, then hitch the left. Then you're going to repeat that with the left foot. So you're going to cross rock left over right, recover your weight on that right, rock on that left, hitch that right. Step back on the right, hitch the left, step back on the left, hitch the right, step back on the right, hitch the left. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, rock, rock, hitch, cross, rock, rock, hitch. Back, hitch, back, hitch, back, hitch. Actually the end of the dance when you get to that point. Believe it or not, that is 48 counts. Let's put it all together. Back rock off on the left. 7, 8, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross rock, cross hitch, cross rock, cross hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back hitch. Not an and count inside either. It's a single count timing all the way through. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and I might just speed it up just a little bit towards the end because the music is just that little bit faster. Back rock off on the left. 7, 8, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross rock, rock, hitch, cross rock, rock, hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross rock, cross hitch, cross rock, cross hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, rocking chair, step it, cross rock, cross hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back hitch. So that actually is your dance and your walkthrough. Nice easy little dance for intermediates. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, six, seven, eight. Back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step it, cross rock, cross hitch, cross rock, cross hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step it, cross rock, cross hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step it, cross rock, cross hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, back rock, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, heel strut, rocking chair, step it, cross rock, cross hitch, back hitch, back hitch, back rock.
Distractions I'm using. Do you know how much you're
Heel struts,
but I do.
cross rock,
But I do. And I wonder if
back
I'm
rock,
passing for the rescue. Is no word
heel struts,
all the best that you can do. I never meant to push you short.
cross rock,
Do you know how much I love you? No, you don't.
back rock,
But I do.
heel struts, cross rock,
I swore
back rock,
I'd never fall like this again.
heel struts,
Fools like me never win. Came to my knees again.
cross rock,
Can't close the door on me like you. Things might be just as good. I always believed they would. Gotta let your love invite me. Baby, do you think it might be? No, you don't. But I do. But I do. And I wonder if I'm past the point of rescue. Is no word from you, know the best that you can do. Never meant to force you shut. Do you know how much I love you? No, you don't. But I do. But I do. And I wonder if I'm past the point of rescue. Is no word from you, know the best that you can do. I never meant to push you shut. Do you know how much I love you? No, you don't. But I do. I know you don't. But I do. I know you don't. But I do.
Hope you managed that one.